The main question at the moment is Bitcoin have visited the bottom, or we gonna see another bottom? A lot of people went crazy and buying around the 70,000 and 60,000, and at the moment the all-time low for this year, everybody scared. This is the moment is a psychological, because people get FOMO, buy at the top, then the price go down, a lot of people get scared, because at the moment, at the current condition of the market, we can 5x, 10x our investment if we choose at least the top 10 cryptocurrency, which is the safest, and build the strategy for this year. We discuss the last bottom for Bitcoin for this year and where we gonna have the next turning point and entering a bullish trend, because at the moment we are in a bearish trend. So let's get right to it and start with Bitcoin. We have 19,900 is acting as a resistance. If we go in a 4-hour chart, you see what's happened. We have a test. It happened on the 1st of July, you see, and the price closed below. So at the moment we have a confirmed resistance, which is the 19,900, below the 20,000. Before we talked about the 21,700, which we already tested it twice, and the price went down because the short seller in control. So I already did my analysis for Bitcoin, which is I will buy if we have a closing 4-hour candle above the 21,747. When profit taken should be triggered around the 26,000 and the 28,000. This will be an interesting profit taken. Why? Because this is normal when the market trending down heavily and we have a short position opened in the beginning of this year. We have to watch out because Bitcoin will have a bit of reversal around this area. That's why I suggest to take a profit. If we got rejected around the 19,900 and we never overcome it, that means Bitcoin eventually will go around the 13,000. This is the bottom should be for this year. If we don't hold the potential last support around the 17,800, okay? So this is the game plan for Bitcoin. If we go to link, we have the price to watch out for is the support at the moment around the 5 and the breakout the $7.45. Because if we overcome this level of resistance, we gonna have the price go until the $11.45, and you can see it, a nice profit we can make. Day trade, swing trade, whatever you want to call it, 50% profit. This is really good. Even if the market is still trending down, we can make a good trade here when link overcome the $7.45 resistance. Ethereum looking interesting to me. You know why? Because we have testing for the rejection. When Bitcoin visited the 21,700 and get rejected, we have Ethereum tested the 1,300, which is the resistance, and the price went down. So the last support to hold at the moment for Ethereum is above the 800, so 890. So if we go here, we might see a double bottom. If we don't hold, just be ready for 600 because I will be loading. This will be a nice trade to get in to buy the dip for Ethereum. So this is one of the strategy to focus on the top 10 cryptocurrency in this current condition of the market and buy the dip and confirming if we enter a bullish trend for them, so you don't feel FOMO and buy like a fake out like what happened here. We didn't have the bottom until we break the 1,300 and hold above it. This will be a trigger to enter and then take the profit around the 1,700. Whatever you want to do, if you want to hold and accumulate, of course you can do it. However, to confirm that we continue to go up, we have to overcome the 1,300 because come on, if you know that Ethereum will go to the 600, come on, it's 1,300 until the 600, almost 100%. So if you bought around this fake out around here that happened around the 26th of June, if you know that the price will go around the 600, of course you're gonna wait and buy around the 600. So what I suggest is save your money to buy the right dip. Okay, so that's why I suggest if we didn't overcome the 1,300, just wait for the 600 if we don't hold above the 900. The next one we have interesting one, Ethereum Classic. which is have an important resistance around 19. We did a test lately around the 26th of June and we got rejected. So the potential support at the moment is above the $9.70. This is where we're gonna see a big buying pressure, like happened here around the 11th of May, I believe, like happened here around the 20th of May. You see, this is where big whale will buy, because this will be a price value for Ethereum Classic. So watch out for, have notification at the moment, so we'll never miss this dip for Ethereum Classic. The other one that we're gonna talk about is Sol as well, got rejected around the 42. I will be hunting for the 19 or above the 20 if we don't hold the 27. And the mark for turning point, for my opinion, for Sol is overcoming this resistance, the 42. You see, the 42 we already tested when it got rejected around this exponential average, clear rejection, and the price went down. So at the moment we're still kind of doing higher lows around this ascending line. So if we broke it, that means the short is in control and will continue to go down, and this will be the nice entry point. So at the moment we're still holding this ascending line. We might see another test for the 42. The entry will be above the 42 to confirm going for the $58 for Sol. We're gonna do live streaming to answer all your questions regarding crypto, stocks, where to get in, where to get out, where the stocks will be squeezed, and which altcoin will explode in coming days, because we have a long weekend for American market on Monday. That's why we're gonna do live streaming, because we always do it weekly around 8 p.m. Paris time. So join us and let's get ready to hunt and prepare before the market open for the next week. So see you in the next video.